Hi, I'm Pauline from Perth, Australia. I want to tell you what happened to my friend Antonio. Antonio is an elderly Australian farmer who has been struggling with severe psoriasis for years. His condition was so challenging that wherever he walked, he would leave a trail of skin flakes on the floor, much to the dismay of his wife. Now, his daughter, who had already experienced great results from Celergen for her own health, decided to let him try it. Now, remarkably, within just 21 days, his skin began to clear. After about 2 months, the improvement was tremendous. His skin looked and felt so much better, and he himself was overjoyed by the transformation. But perhaps the happiest of all was his wife. No longer did she have to constantly sweep the floors or clean the sofa after he sat down. Now, thanks to Celergen, not only did his health improve, but his daily life at home became lighter and brighter for the whole family. Now, isn't that wonderful?